How to pivot. The first step in pivoting your business is to identify the problem or opportunity that is driving the need for change. This could involve conducting market research, analyzing customer feedback, or conducting a SWOT analysis to identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to your business. Once you have identified the need for change, you can begin exploring different pivoting strategies. Some common pivoting strategies include changing your target market, adapting your product or service to better meet customer needs, or exploring new distribution channels. It is important to test and validate your pivoting strategy before implementing it on a larger scale. This could involve conducting market research or piloting your new strategy with a small group of customers.